What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to increase your protein intake with this quick and easy chicken Alfredo recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more high protein recipes. I'm going to start by boiling some water for the pasta. I'm going to put some salt. Today I'm going to be using some yellow lentil pasta, which has almost double the protein than regular pasta. Next, I'm going to cut 4 pieces of chicken thigh into small pieces. Now put some oil in the pan. Throw in the chicken. Add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, and add some basil. Now we're just going to cook it. Water is boiling. Pasta in, and wait for it to cook. In the meantime, I'm going to chop some tomatoes. We're going to chop half an onion. I'm going to grab some of the turkey that I have left over from Thanksgiving, and I'm going to cut it into small little pieces. If you didn't see my Thanksgiving dinner recipe, go check that out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And after the chicken is done, put it in a separate container. Throw a little bit more oil. Now let's put some milk. I like using Fairlife because it's some good quality milk. It's not a sponsor, but I wish it was. Let's put some salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, and basil. Add some parmesan cheese. And cook it on low until all the cheese is melted. After all the cheese is melted, just turn off the fire and let it cool down for a few minutes. After a few minutes, add some plain Greek yogurt. And if you want the sauce very creamy, increase the amount of cheese and reduce the amount of milk. Now we're just going to mix it all together. And don't turn on the fire. Last thing we have to do is mix it with our pasta, the chicken, and just throw in the sauce. Put some oil in a pan. Throw the chopped onions. Throw the tomatoes. And after the tomato is nice and smushy, throw the turkey. Put some salt, some pepper. And that's pretty much it. There you have it. A quick and easy way to use your Thanksgiving leftover. And there you have it. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like this video for more high protein meals. And I'll see you on the next one.